Hey guys, this is Anika. Today I was thinking what can I make, and then I thought why not do something different. So I took my Benefit makeup pouch and and took out all my ColourPop lipsticks, and I'll be showing you guys swatches of my favorite shades. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like this, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this kind of video, and comment down below on the things to check and improve on and what you want to see next. Yeah, I know I'm very weird with the rings. Well, I guess that's it for today. Bye!